Sheryll Murray.
Mr. Speaker, it's been reported that President Macron is going to use the threat of the Irish backstop to force the UK to give French fishing vessels a continued existing access to the UK waters. Will my right honourable friend please confirm that we are leaving the CFP on the 29th of March this year? And will she confirm that she will say to President Macron, no, no, no?
Well, can I say to my honourable friend that I will confirm that we are leaving the Common Fisheries Policy, that we will indeed become that independent coastal state, that we will be negotiating access to our waters. And of course, for President Macron to suggest that he could use the backstop as a means of requiring us to give access to French fishermen actually would be counterproductive, because in the backstop, French fishermen would not have any access to our waters at all.